and welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I'm Chandrani. In this tutorial we are gonna learn about bird, how to draw a bird like this. So funny, isn't it?
Draw a circle. Don't worry, you don't need to do the perfect one. It's just to make the rough layout. So there will be another circle for the base. Now the middle curve line is the action line. It's just to make sure how my character's pose will be. And let it hold a microphone as if it's singing. As it's a cartoon character, so I am making its head bigger than usual. You can see that, and of course the eyes are bigger too, and the beak is bigger too. So once you are done with the sketch, next it's time to color. So I am using lasso tool here to select each and every part individually along with individual layers. This is an important part to have layers, and hit the transparent lock option for color purpose. Now I am adding shades. As we turn on the transparent lock option for this, what will happen? Our color will not spread outside of our selected parts. Now just try to add darker version of your color of your selected area. Try to shade the edges first of all the selected parts, and then you can highlight at the middle part of the selected layer. Okay, so we are done with the basic shade now. It's time to have some final sketches. This portion is totally depending on your wish. As much detail as you want to give it, you can give it. As I am making this as a children book illustration character, so I am just adding little details, not too many details, because I don't want to spend my whole day for this single character. and if you want to give it, you can give it. So I am just adding few lines here, and then I'm just adding the Gaussian blur effect so that it will give a...
That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoy my video and have learned something. If you do so, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, please do subscribe my channel, and of course let me know your comment, your feedback. They are very important for me. They help me to get motivated, and I will be able to upload more videos like this. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.